Hi guys, Devin here. So today we're going to be going through the three basic types of filters for photography or videography. The first being your standard Screwon filter system. The second being the, and I might be butchering the name, Cock and P system. And then the 100mm square or rectangular filter system, which is basically a big brother of the Cock. Okay, firstly we have your Screw-on filter systems. These comes in various shapes, sizes, colors, graduated neutral density, polarizer, colored, you name it, they got it. Many different brands. These specifically are from Gobe. I've bought some from Nuer. Basically all the low-end brands, anything under $100 is usually what I'm going for. So these are the circular filter systems. They're generally on the cheaper side, way more available, lots of variations. You can also get step-up filters and adapt those. That's a different topic for a different video. These, again, you're only going to be able to use on the lens which fits the filter diameter. Okay, second we have the Cock and P system. So this is my system specifically. It's a mix of Nuer and Ranger's filters. The Nuer being the colored ones. Primarily I use the red filter, and I also use the yellow for color correction and for effective black and white photography. These are, one is a graduated neutral density and the other is a neutral density. The grad is pretty easy to tell apart because it is not one solid shade all the way through. It's graduated, as you can see here, whereas this one is all the way through. And they are attached to this filter system. They generally are plastic. I've seen very few that are metal. I broke two in the first week I was using them. Words to the wise, there's a step-by-step process you are supposed to put these on. Definitely follow it. You have to screw on the filter ring, then attach the plastic, then you can attach up to 3 filters. I usually use neutral density, a graduated neutral density, and then a color filter on this, but it can vary. Alright, and lastly, we have the 100mm filter system. This specifically, I can't remember the brand off the top of my head. Everything I buy is on Amazon. So here's your standard Screw-on 100mm filter system. There are many different types of these. They are most generally metal. I've never seen a plastic one, but I'm sure there is out there. They're sturdy. Usually they can take between 2 to 3 filters at the same time. I've seen more, I've seen less. Generally the filters they use are glass, square, 100 by 100mm, or rectangular at 100 by 150mm. And those are usually very much elongated gradual neutral density filters, if I'm correct. I have not used those. I don't know if it's 100 by 100. This is the only one I have. It is from KS Concept, and it's pretty good. There isn't much work I have to do in post to correct color, but it definitely gives a cast like most other neutral density filters in the cheaper areas. And yeah, that's basically it. There are, again, like the 100, 150mm filter systems. I don't have one, but the concept is basically the same as this, just a little bit longer. And I really recommend using these. I can do a whole video about just going into why you can, where you can, and in what situations you should and shouldn't use a filter system. If that sounds interesting, let me know in the comments below. And that's it. So see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.